Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to take a backup of a WordPress website from Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Here you will see a list of the available websites on your Hostinger account, and to take a backup of a WordPress website from Hostinger, it's simple. Next to your WordPress website, click on Dashboard. Then go to Website. My bad, not website. Go to Security. Not even Security, it's for sure Files. Click on Files, and under Files, select Backups. Now go to View Backups. And here you can take a website backup, which means a backup that includes your website files and database, or simply backup your website files, or even just only the website database. For this video, I will go with a website backup. From this list, you can select the date when this backup is taken. For this video, I will go with the latest available backup, which is on the top of the list. Then click on download websites and wait a moment. But before that, a download link with all files and databases of your website will be sent to your email. Click on yes, send link to email. And now they started preparing files to download. Now just wait a moment. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Backup prepared and sent by an email. Now let's check my inbox. By the way, if you are not sure which email address they will send or they will use this used email address of your profile. Now let's check the email message. Your backup files are ready, and the backup files you requested are ready to be downloaded. This is the link to download the website files. Double click it to select it all, and then click on go to this long list, to this long link. Now let's do the same thing to download the database files, and just like that, the files and the database are sent to are downloaded to my computer. Let's open them, or let's extract them to see the WordPress backup. To easily differentiate, or let's unzip them. Let's unzip both of them. And this is my WordPress backup files. And this is the database. It ends with SQL. And this is how to take a backup of your WordPress website from Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.